Wow. Well, I'm not going to MOT that car now. You arsehole. Hey, lads.
Touch lives of the ones who think my music bang, but it's an uphill battle in this music thing.
Martin Bard. For you all mind, that is pink, that has got screen wash in it. From my album on the shelves and make sure they sell. Most of all, make sure my family's doing well. That's the dream I'm envisioning. Some passionate, I carry on with things I'm not imagining. Some people try to stop my move. Guess I never heard my songs, never rock my tunes. Tell them all to chill out, I ain't trying to be king. I'm just doing my thing, which is why I sang. What a dream, what a dream, what a dream to be alive on this journey, and it's hard to see. Open your eyes to the beauty, it ain't hard to see. That is something of a dream to me. Yeah, what a dream, what a dream, what a dream to be alive on this journey, and it's hard to see. Open your eyes to the beauty, it ain't hard to see. That is something of a dream to me. See what you went and started, check out how I'ma do it. You wanna know how I'm spitting, get out your lighter fluid. I got the heart of a fighter inside the ring. I could handle any sort of a battle you wanna bring. Here's the one and the one and two. Got a little bit of left and right on her. Do you hang on the lower arm of the track rudder and see which one stops it? No, it's still there. Yeah, gone. What's that, the track rod end? Yeah, cool. Yeah, definitely track rod end. Cool. Thank you. 360 degrees, but I'm still in stride. It's like no matter what route you take. So the track rod end on that's got quite a bit of blood. So we're quite both sides for the customer, both sides. Open your eyes to the beauty of the heart. That is something of a dream to me. Yeah, what a dream, what a dream, what a dream to be alive on this journey, and it's hard to see. Open your eyes to the beauty, it ain't hard to see. Naive on the social beat. For the first time ever, I walked on the roof and actually had to lift the mic up. Do you know what I mean? I'm feeling good. Before, bro. What, dog? Mate, honestly, these undertrays are the worst designs Renault undertrays ever. Yeah, let's just put an undertray full of plastic clips that are going to snap when it gets cold and they get brittle. Even in the times when it felt I was dying. See, you never know when it's cold, how it's necessary, and then you grow. Now it's legendary and endless hope. Shit is scary, I could have folded, but I didn't. Often thought why try, didn't have the wide eye till I got sky high. Now I see vision panoramic and winning is a habit. Come on, sky high. Almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Sky high. Almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Sky high. Those with me since beginning, love and respect always to the ending. Sky high. Cause I almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Cause I gotta get this done, gotta get that done, gotta get involved with the motherfucking action. Gone past cash, son, more about passion. Why you mad at my life? Is it cause you like one? Son, no doubt. We live in the jungle, but I stay alert, sipping Linizzi all over. It's the little things, yeah, man, the little things. It's the simple things, real interesting. See the levels of ascending, altitude sickness definitely impending. But I work, progression never ending. Up till I enter into heaven. Check, see the thrillers in the chase. On to the next, never chilling in a place. Adversity, I be building in his face with willingness and grace. Sky high, almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Sky high, almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Sky high. With me since beginning, love and respect always to the ending. Cause I almost quit, but I didn't. Now we're brother glad that I'm in this position. Cause I gotta get this done, gotta get that done, gotta get involved with motherfucking action. Gotta get this done, gotta get that done, gotta get involved with motherfucking action. Gotta get this done, gotta get that done, gotta get involved with motherfucking action.
Yeah, massive beats. Well, quite two hours on this as well.
Lyrically killing these rap cats, sick of their anthrax. Plus I get respect that they can't have. If you don't know where you going, I can't have that. Build with the God, show y'all we pack that. All joke rappers aside, set the rhythm. I'm not the best of the best. With the flowers, I get my respect. A lot of L like cigars when I write my bars. I hold the mic like a smart guitar. Hey yo, most of them are just marijuana chemicals. Sick with the bars, got a squad full of generals. I mean what I say when I say that I mean. With a mic and a beat and an eight that I green, yo. I write it as hot, you write it in fly. Maybe these motherfucking rappers not as nice as they thought. I guess I get lighted, lighting the pot, vibing higher than fly.